Hi, Joseph. It was great talking with you. I wanted to send you this quick website audit as promised to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So in this video, I'm going to go over a couple of easy ways to beat your competition online. Now, I know most business owners are extremely busy. They don't necessarily have time to handle all of the marketing needs of their business. So I started making these videos to give tips and suggestions and help out. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss any of this further after watching, I'd love to hop on a call with you and talk. But either way, this video is 100% yours to keep. So the three things we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the home page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like flooring San Marcos, deck builder Austin, Texas, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. So looking at your website, I really like the design and the layout and the general structure of the whole site. It makes it very easy to navigate, which is a really big plus with Google. So your homepage has a lot of good information on it, including client testimonials. That's always a great touch. People really like to see that. It builds trust with potential new clients. So looking at your service pages, love that you have a non-clickable menu here and you have all of your services separated. All the pages are separated, one for each service, really helps each of them to rank. One suggestion I have is to describe each of these services in more detail. This will allow you to This will allow people to just get more information, and then it also really helps these back pages to rank faster. So a word count you want to strive for on your service pages is about 500 words, and you want to have keywords stuffed within the 500. A rule of thumb I like to use for this is one keyword phrase for every 100 words. So for a service page with 500 words, anywhere from 3 to 5 keyword phrases, kind of spread out organically throughout the paragraphs is a good number to strive for. And then on your homepage, let's go back here. Like I said, really, really love the design. My best recommendation for this page is that you'll want to hit that 1,500 word mark at least, ideally 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. When I highlighted all the text and put it into my word counter here, it looks like you have about 560 words. So, and that also includes the testimonials. So you'll want to add more relevant keyword-rich content in order to hit that 1,500 word mark. And again, we want to go with, a certain amount of keywords for every 100, one for every 100. So you're looking at about 10 to 15 keywords that you'll want to put on your homepage. And again, you want them to read organically on there. If we just kind of shove them in different titles and such, Google can sense that, and they call it keyword stuffing. So we want to stay away from that. Okay, so overall, you have a really nice site. I really, really enjoyed taking a look at it. The second thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. So the thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So for example, a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you. Or a popular website that features various types of home services would be another good one. So something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza or Macy's department store, for example. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs, and it gives you a lot of really valuable data on what kind of traffic is coming into your site. So here is your site. I put it up here. You have 200 backlinks from 30 different websites. And then it looks like your organic traffic is 0. So that means that you are not getting any website visits you haven't gotten any over the last 30 days. So you're losing out on a lot of potential clients because of that. Now, compared to your top competitor in Austin, not San Antonio, we pulled up Austin Deck Company, which I'm sure you've heard of. So they have higher quality backlinks, and because of that, they have a lot of organic traffic coming in. So it looks like they have 297 site visits over the last 30 days. So a strategy that we tell our clients to use to get that same kind of power as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have and then continue adding more and more, so you'll end up surpassing them while gaining more and more power to your site and a lot more organic traffic and new customers. The last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations. So citations are very important because if someone wants a service now, what they're going to do is they're going to probably get on Google and search for it, right? So let's just see. Let's type in flooring Austin. So let's say I'm looking for, my floors I'm looking to do hardwood in my house. So I live in Austin, type that in. A lot of people will stop right here and look at this local map pack and think that these top 3 companies are the best in the city because they are in the top. The reason why they're at the top is not necessarily because they're the best. It's because they have more citations than other flooring companies in the area. So citations are anywhere on the internet where your business name, your phone number, your address are listed in different directories. And directories such as Yelp, Facebook, and Yellow Pages are usually the most common ones. So again, what we tell our clients, same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. You go in and whatever directories your competition is being listed in, you list yourself in those exact same directories and add on a space cushion of 20 to 30% more directories than your competition. What's going to happen is over time, you're going to end up infiltrating this local map pack, the Google My Business map pack, and you're going to be at the top before your competitors even realize it. They're not going to be able to catch up because you'll just keep adding on more backlinks, more citations, and taking on all of that new business. So here is my website. This is my company, Lobo Leads. This is my phone number. If you have any questions after watching or just want to discuss any of it, I am happy to do that. I really, really appreciate you taking the time, Joseph, to watch this video. And I hope to hear back from you soon. Thanks.